Is water chemistry making you want to pull your hair out? It sure did me. Let's keep it simple. If your water's older than 60 days or cloudy, drain it and start over. If your water's less than 60 days and not cloudy, we're ready to get started. Let's check our pH and alkalinity. Let's make sure that we're in the normal ranges. I prefer just a little bit on the lower end of the normal ranges. Next, we need to clean our filter. Make sure the filter is good and clean, or a new filter, whichever way you'd like to go, and then we can move to the next step, which now, if you've had water in your spa, we need to make sure that the chlorine or bromine level is below 1 part per million. Now we're ready to add the water polished. So we're going to dump this entire bottle in, and once that's in, you're done with the basic startup. Now what's going to happen? Over the next 3, 4, 5 days, maybe quicker, your water could go cloudy on you. During this time, it's very important that we stay on top of our filters. I'd like you to clean your filter once a week during the startup phase. If your water's cloudy, we need to add a little bit of chlorine to the water. Now, I have many customers that have successfully ran our system with no chlorine or no bromine, and if you've seen those on our website or you've seen them out other posts, let's not follow that. During the cloudy phase, we need to have a little bit of chlorine or bromine in there. Now, if you absolutely don't want to put it in, you've got to use our water-safe bacteria test strips to make sure that your water's safe, because I don't want you to get hurt when you're using your water. The next thing that we need to address is smell. When you first start up, you can get a stale smell, kind of a dirty sock smell, when you first open the cover, and that's because the breakdown process creates carbon dioxide, and it gets trapped between the water and the cover. And when you first open it up, it gases off. Now, if you're continuing to get a smell after you've opened your cover and that's gone, now let's check your filter. Pull your filter out, give it a sniff. If it stinks, let's get into a little bit of a bleach water solution and get it cleaned up so that it is ready to go, because it's like a big tea bag. If it stinks, it's making your water stink. The next thing we need to do is clean the cover. Now, starting out, the cover's probably going to be just fine, but as time goes on, you'll notice it getting a slick, kind of slimy feel on the underneath side. Again, use a little bit of bleach water. You know, if you don't want to use any bleach at all, vinegar can accomplish the same thing, so a little bit of vinegar water. And the same with your filter. But wipe that cover down real good with the vinegar water, and then you're ready to go. So now that we've gone through the basics, just keep on the filter, keep going through. Once your water's cleared up and going, we're going to switch to the 2-ounce treatment. Now, actually, you have a choice here. If you want to continue doing the monthly treatments, you can just add this every month, and that's all you need to do. Or you can switch to the super concentrated version, which is adding 1 capful every other week to your water. And this will last about 6 months. So it's not dump this whole bottle in. This is the bottle we dumped the whole one in. This is the one that we only use a capful every other week. After that, your water should be great, your skin should feel good, and you should enjoy your hot tub a lot more. Have a great day. If you have any questions, I'm Tom with Water's Choice. You can reach me at 208-949-2800 or shoot me an email at tom@waterschoice.com.